So right now, vlog world, you don't know, so we're there and Bourbon and Runner come downstairs. Bright and early morning right now. I don't know what I go on for the day, I don't know what I go on for the morning yet. Bourbon look like he might make the day nice right now. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know, I'm hungry, I don't know what I want for breakfast. I think we left piece of breadfruit from yesterday.
And chicken, they got Booba going chicken.
Nah, I'm not chicken, you're mad. We are cook chicken today, but feed man if Trabass fall over here. When Trabass fall over here, cause we all know the Trabass will fall over here. But for breakfast, we probably just fry the breadfruit. Hey, you can eat egg? Yeah. Chicken flavored. Me I tell the man say chicken flavored egg in the fridge. So you can eat that with film breadfruit. I don't know what I consume. Probably just consume breadfruit and probably mackerel. I don't know. But yeah, for now, for right now, I just that I go on for the day. We just start the day. The day is very early. Out the door hot. You can tell already out the door. Just look at the door, feel at. I don't have to ask if you at. I don't go out the door. I don't go out the door today. So yeah, well, I probably go out the door today. Probably have to go out the door today, but. Yeah, for now we're there, hope it, up it. So right now, everything done, I end up doing fry breadfruit and butter bean, you know? Baked bean. Me always a chat full in it. Me there, in the spaceship, just go and easy, but yo, me a sweat, I say me a sweat. Out the door, out the door, burn up Trabass and Bourbon just gone in at the pawn shop. Only God knows when them in there do. I tell them so that what I mean I'm not doing at the pawn shop, so I'll wait for them in the car. So I'm there now. I think we are going to swap shop after this. We are going to swap shop because Bourbon never go swap shop before, so we're going to show him what is swap shop and no swap shop setup, you know what I mean? We are sightsee today. So after that we're supposed to go on marketplace car. Alright, Bourbon come from North Carolina. So him say North Carolina, them have whole heap of thing, and there's probably like 2 Jamaican restaurants in North Carolina. So anybody who want more restaurant right now, go to North Carolina, business will flourish, because Bourbon say 2 restaurants alone there in North Carolina, and them not sell like fried chicken and them something, you know what I mean? Them only sell brown stew and be other things, but no fried chicken and stuff like that. So Jamaican restaurant, I feel like it do good at North Carolina. But we are got one Caribbean supermarket because Bourbon say he want buy some hockey if bring up back. He want buy breadfruit for bring up back. He want buy dragon. This a bread here, so you think of Jamaica him there? You know when you got Jamaica, you want to bring up back everything where expensive a foreign or where you can't really get a foreign, you bring that up from Jamaica. Well, Bourbon da Florida, and I buy up a whole of them here go North Carolina, so we are going to do that today. And after that, I think we just are going back to cook and I'm going to show what I'm going for the rest of it. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, up it, mad move.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your...
Why? Yeah, talk about mannequin. Trabass a stop and look.
Come on, just pass it off.
So one day.
I can't tell if you're here.
Please up it.
Bourbon a pervert. And we are going to look breadfruit and hockey. Because Bourbon a go back a foreign. You know what I mean? In that yard now.
Them stuff they up there.
Me tell them man, so I want biggie that there.
They don't have it. They don't have it.
Out there, do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill.
Bourbon same one jelly if you go up and plane. Trabass are telling say you can't go up and plane. Out of smell like fry fish. The what?
You see too big for you carry
Coconut of seed?
Yes, one big seed. This is a seed, right? I'm telling him, he don't believe me.
Me never believe.
What is the cane for that? $7 for cane.
Buy it and cut your put in your suitcase.
You can feel it to me. Feel the whole light to me. Huh?
He must have already peel in a bag. What do you see them here? $5 right. Bourbon see some $5 on you. But if that's $7 and this cut up.
Exactly.
It look like the same thing. I see him thing, man. No man, after you see after him peel off all like the thing off of that, it'll come back to this dog. May I tell you?
Let's go there no sweet.
Well are just so you go. Man I dash them well like coconut. They may look bad.
Or 6.
They may look bad.
Yo, you just take cash.
Yeah. They don't take card. We forgot you have to go sitting there. No, we don't take card out also. You have to go inside. You still have to get cash. When you look at banana there. Me I tell you, no hotel and a hockey brother. Oh, what is lychee? You know this hour?
10.50.
Panganat. You never know that.
10.50? Oh. And you say a 150 for what?
Spread them for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
So right now we just left Swap Shop, Bourbon Bio. One
Some
bag
breadfruit and some.
breadfruit, cane.
I don't buy cane.
You know buy cane?
No.
You buy breadfruit.
I have sugar on me.
We should have used the cane make rum. Majis, we are here on Bourbon Appeal Juplum for bring up one bag of Juplum.
I eat.
Trabass all the way over there, hiding. You know what I mean? I'm there in the kitchen and I'm cooking. You don't know them a meat eater, so barbecue then light skin right now.
6,000.
Then light skin right now, so you know, so up.
We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill, pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer, pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
So vlog we're right about now, you don't know we done cook, we done enjoy the food and everything. Bourbon there right there, playing some FIFA. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think alright so now me in the vlog. Trabass and yesterday out the door. The vlog, yeah, I don't know when me upload the vlog. I'm probably upload the vlog early tomorrow morning. And I make sure vlog and I show SNI because I spend the whole day with me. And when you see this, you don't see such Trabass post her on Instagram already. So I can start posting her in my vlog now. You know what I mean? Because Trabass don't go make a vlog with her. But I don't know. Tomorrow you say my post it? Yeah. Tomorrow? No, I'm post a vlog tomorrow, but I'm not sure if I'm post 2 vlog tomorrow. So yeah, when you just look out for that in a Trabass vlog. I don't know if I'm post it tomorrow or next day, but I'm not going to see us. Well, you don't see us already because it post her for Instagram. I forgot. Yeah, so alright. Yeah. You soon see her over here, so them out the door right now. But I never want to vlog her and show her here so first. Before I make Trabass show her in a theme vlog first. And then you know. So yeah man, up it in. Blessings and respect again. Big up on yourself, my G's out.